guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans to TV. It's the African Cup of Nations. Egypt 1, Bafana 0. I'm joined by the past chairman.
Sithiwe kunjani awuthi?
Ngimnandi nje.
Umnandi awuthi?
Yeah.
Yabona sinitshelile indaba nina nifuna ukumamela Sithiwe.
Sure.
Yabona ku first game.
Yeah, che.
Shilo wathi uMadala bekasibophe kamnandi bekumele nje asilungise.
Sure.
And vie bekunendaba ze stage fright.
Yes.
Yabona namhlanje sibuyile usabuye nge-same back four.
True.
And i-back four yakhona uyilungisile ngithe if umdiba angathi ukumisa nje uku-overlapa too much abloma amele labantu beze kuye bheka namhlanje ube negame emnandi blind ivurvayi ngarabe emnandi nongezana ama-mistake akhe we-limited today beyanganama mistake beka communicator nolokhuzana nombokazi bebahlangana you understand that I think so i-back four bemnandi uRonza yena vela ngeke uzumfault uhlala on par in terms of yabona naye ke into futhi athe ukuyilungisa lapha esiswini ukuthi namhlanje uDebs angamdlalisi defensive amdlalise eze attacking ukuthi sikwazi ukuthola something ubonile uDebs abekaphila mfethu labafana labo ungabathathi kancane labafana bayalazi bamnande enyaweni bheka labafana bami bakhona ukuthi badlalise ilokhuzana badlalise Egypt ilo block
yes
understand second half namanje uyabona ukubhola abawine ngalo Cape penalty nyana leyo mistake nyana engeke sikhale mfethu ebholweni akhona ama mistake esandla ukuthi sakamndawo siphakamile leyo sayfrostana you understand umthetho ibhola idisk you understand but ke nalento leyo ukuthi thina masiyodlala namaklabha seNorth Africa khona la kumele sikhale khona nayo le yasicindezela Sithibo kusamele bake bayibheke into ye12 angeke size sikhalela ukuthi namhlanje ilokhuzana Egypt sishaye 1-0 is fine mina into engayisho nje kuma supporters edisc ukuthi sizobuya akakaphela uthi amenda ngeke singene ngecalculator so singenela grand
strange
clean Monday mayivalwa Monday sobe singenile lapha yana thina uthi asizilungisele so isolve into zethu laba bafana bakabuyi labana basaya kuma knockout stages
but cha ukhali ngalama decision amanye vele like ya penalty amount yakhala
well i-penalty awuthi nambe ngizokhala kuyo yabo although bazama ukuyi-explaina ngalendlela aba-explaina ukuthi umuntu uwile natural position ini so angeke size si-debate kakhulu yabo but if bekuyimi ngiyibona bengizosho ukuthi i-penalty le nto leyo uyayibona utham because kwamanye ama-game ilokhuzana amabhola so bagaya i-penalty ushaye umnathu you understand but ke namhlanje kuthiwa kusi-penalty sizoyithatha ngokuthi akusi-penalty yabo kungabi ngathi manje sesikhalela ukuthi Egypt isikwazile today but njengoba ngitshela uthi second game sizobuya
sobahlaba knockout stages
sobahlaba songena kuma knockout stages ntswemu
man of the match keche
man of the match yam today awuthiyami apolice ngamgaya yabo apolice ngamgaya ngayigaya yena wapolice and mawungibuza ngeman of the match so ngikhumbuza namasapo kamdala
sure
yabona namhlanje ube namasapo productive bonakala ukuthi umdala njengoba singasho ngathi first game kusho ukuthi bekasazitshela ukuthi ufuna uqala i-tournament ayibona ukuthi kanjani masapo akhe today bekungasamasapa defensive beka uthema ke sapa wonke amasapa akhe bekafuna ukuthi at least akwazi uku-attack faka umfukeng ngara wafaka hopa uyabona nje ukuthi today bekafuna ukulokhuzana uku-attack so that game kona akuzoba mnandi ngayigaya wapolice awuthama
uyigaya wapolice
uyigaya wapolice
that game ufuna bastrike ngobani ngoFoster
bona uFoster no haya uyiqala inkulumo ayiqala uthama i-question right yabo uFoster akakenze so ke kule dead game akakamqala ebenchini
Yeah.
amqala ebenchini ungwana sesabakhathazi
Sure.
and then amlahlele nini mangabe ufuna something because ngiyambona ukuthi hayi uyamthemba kuye yabona yeah so mara kake amqala ebenchini sibone ukuthi ezinye zingenza njani yeah untwana angazabe nepressure ama South African yabo because ama South African azokugaya pressure mase wacala ngathi ayakubona ukho mnandi enyawo yeah yabo so mela amprotect untwana kule game leyana amqalise ebenchini afaka umahopa ke ungene ngesikhathi esincane to the part bosobona bekuba khona umnyakazo nyana so akamstarte kule next game and then untwana amfake second half
ngiyakubamba che
sure
hayi sibongile chairman hayi sibongile chairman hayi sibongile hayi awuyibekile chairman